Relays. A relay is a switching device actuated by a small coil. Remember when we talked about microswitches having the nomenclature of common, normally open, and normally closed? This is what you find on a relay. When no power is applied to the coil, the spring moves the contacts into the non-actuated position, causing the normally open contacts to be open, not touching, and the normally closed contacts are closed, making contact to the common. When we energize the coil, we create an electromagnet that pulls down the arm. When the arm pulls down, we then have the normally closed contact open, not making contact, and the normally open contact is now closed, making contact with the common. Relays come in many shapes and sizes. They have many terminal configurations. You may also find them with multiple poles. They are good for supplying power to small motors, other parts of a control circuit, and maybe even a safety designed circuit. When replacing a relay, use the information printed on the case to get an exact match, the coil voltage being extremely important. Remember the plus or minus 10% rule on the actual voltage. The contact voltage rating is a not to exceed range. You can apply volts and amps up to that point. To test a relay, you can check the continuity of the coil. You can get ohm specs from the manufacturer if you want to be precise. If it reads open, it's bad. Relay coils typically don't have failures unless the wrong voltage is applied. Too high or even too low of a voltage can damage the coil. On the other hand, the contacts are where you will find most failures. The contact points become charred and either don't make good contact or have no contact at all, or become stuck closed. Contacts can be cleaned for a temporary solution, but the relay should be replaced. Observing a relay functioning and testing the outputs on the normally closed, normally open terminals is the best way to test. If you have a circuit board with a plug-in relay, the relay is easily replaceable. If you have a circuit board with a soldered-on relay that has failed, you will have to replace the entire board.